Guys, he's a 1/18 scale 2006 Dodge Challenger concept police vehicles. What I've done is install working lights in this car. I've also made it into a slick top. First of all, it's made by Maisto. You see features opening trunk, front doors. The interior's got like a laptop right here in the center. Under the hood you have the detail V8 Hemi engine. Push bar on the front. I'll zoom out. Again, like I said, I've installed working lights in it. The 9-volt battery for the lights is located in the trunk for easy access. On-off switch right here. So let me turn the lights on so you can see. So we have the red, blue in the visor. You have the flashing headlights and a solid high beam lights. Red, blue on the bottom. On the interior you have the laptop light. On the rear deck you have a red and blue and amber in the middle. And on the back you have the tail lights flashing on the outside and solid on the inside. It does come with its box all pack for safe delivery. Please ask all questions before you bid. It'll be up on eBay. eBay name is 6877 Mercedes. Alright guys, thank you very much.